NUVU's XO-1 Countertop Convection Oven is ideal for convenience stores, catering services, restaurants, donut shops, and ice cream parlors. Compact and lightweight, yet able to cook to perfection a variety of foods, including appetizers, pies, cookies, rolls, meat, and also ideal for heating and cooking all types of prepared foods. The XO-1 oven comes with these key features: electromechanical controls, temperatures reaching up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit, indicator light for thermostat, door switch cutoff for fan blower, stainless steel construction, 4-inch adjustable legs, a one-handed door handle operation, adjustable buzzer, a left hinge door, and also comes equipped with a 1-year labor and 2-year parts warranty. In today's video, we will be going over operational use, maintenance, and cleaning of this oven. Once your oven is plugged into the appropriate power supply, it is ready to be turned on. This will be done by flipping on the power switch button on the bottom right-hand side of the unit. Directly to the left of the power supply switch is our fan switch. This gives you two options, either using a low fan or a high. The oven has 3 dials for controls: temperature, timer, and buzzer. Oven ranges from 150 degrees up to 550. Once your oven reaches your set temperature, the light indicator will shut off, letting you know that it's ready to be loaded with product. Timer goes up to 60 minutes. And then you have the option of having a high or low buzzer. The NUVU XO-1 oven has a 5 half-pan capacity. This oven also has a magnetic latch switch to ensure that the door always closes. When cleaning and maintaining your oven, be sure to shut off power completely. Allow the interior of the oven to cool down as to not burn oneself upon cleaning. NUVU cautions to only wash the interior of the oven with hot water and a mild detergent. Please never use oven cleaners. Thanks to its compact size and extreme power, the NUVU XO-1 countertop oven is ideal for any establishment. For further information, instructional manuals, and warranty information, please visit our website.